Educational institution St. Jerome Emiliani promotes the formation of autonomous, critical, creative, competitive, and builders of a society respectful of diversity, based on the practice of ethical, moral, and spiritual values human beings, able to project technical, professional, and labor in a globalist world. The Emiliani School was founded in 1974. It's a technical institution which has 5 specialties: mechanics, carpentry, architectural design, systems, and electricity. Carpentry. This specialty is characterized by creating furniture of great finesse and delicacy, often unique in terms of realization and design because you can apply them to the same endings, carvings, marquetry, turning among others. It involves deep knowledge of fine woods and how work itself are also indispensable, so some geometric knowledge really to the path for how to do it correctly on the wood. The projects are commonly made beds, wardrobes, and dining rooms. Best Now School, come and visit.